Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by enabling Bluetooth on your iPhone and waking the Mercedes head unit. This saves time. Once done, put the car in accessory or on so the infotainment is searchable. Open iPhone settings Bluetooth and keep the screen unlocked. You'll watch devices populate. Next, on the Mercedes system, enter Phone or Connect menu and choose Add Device or Pair New Phone. This triggers the phone to detect the exact head unit name, so make sure you match the names. Once the iPhone shows the Mercedes name, tap it and watch for a numeric PIN on both screens. Confirm the digits match, then accept on both devices. You do this to ensure a secure connection and to allow phone functions like calls and audio. After pairing, grant contacts and favorites access so names display during calls, and enable phone and media audio profiles. If you plan to use Apple CarPlay or Mercedes Me features, enable them now. Make sure CarPlay is allowed in iPhone settings. Finish by testing. Play music and place a quick call to confirm audio and microphone function. Adjust volume and microphone settings if voices sound thin. Then, set your iPhone as the primary or preferred device in the Mercedes Bluetooth settings so it auto-connects. If pairing fails, try the key troubleshoot. Remove or forget the car on the iPhone, delete the phone in the Mercedes phone list, restart the iPhone and cycle the car power, and then repair. This clears stale profiles that block connections.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.